Increasing the productivity of our nationwide transportation system should be the goal of all transport modes. Planes, trains, ships, and trucks. But, like it or not, trucks move 70% of everything we buy. So that's where we need to focus our attention. What changes should be made to allow for efficient flow of goods? How could different trailer weight limits, sizes, or combinations improve efficiency? How do we go from business as usual to innovative, large-scale truck productivity?
Freight transportation efficiency is going to be a critical issue over the next 5 years.
The concern that state DOTs have about the trucking looking forward is the volume. We anticipate that over the next 20 to 40 years, we'll see a doubling in the number of trucks on the road.
The just-in-time delivery schemes that we heard so much about have not really gone away, so those are still out there, and that puts more pressure on the system in terms of being reliable relative to congestion and overall efficiency.
The economic implications of inefficiency are enormous. We can't afford these inefficiencies, and quite frankly, provides a target of opportunity for us.
When we look at strategies for improving freight efficiency in the U.S., we have to look at the expanded use of higher productivity vehicles as one of the tools in the toolbox.
A streamlined intermodal process to take advantage of the efficiencies in, as an example, rail movement over long distances to avoid highway congestion spots, and then set up distribution facilities to handle that last 10, 15, 50, or 100 miles.
Even though the share for rail will increase, it still takes a truck usually to get it to the rail and to get it from the rail. It's going to take a lot of changes to do that. No more efficient vehicles, but it's also simply going to mean we have to build more roads and build roads that can be safe.
There are a number of strategies to improve transport efficiency, and among them, of course, is the LCV. You also have truck-only lanes, infrastructure build-up. But the nice thing about LCVs, it's a shovel-ready solution. In other words, we don't have to build out new infrastructure. We already have the vehicles, and it's simply a matter of combining trailers together, and that gives you an instant benefit.
We have to think about the entire system, not just the vehicle, not just the engine, not just the driver's fuel economy, but how are we moving freight? Are our configurations the most productive we can have? Are our information systems the most productive we can have?
The cost of doing nothing is simply unacceptable.